Okay, it's the next day. Today's all gonna be about washing the bike. It's gonna get messy. It's gonna be good. Gonna be doing the front lawn. And we just ordered we might order a new saddle, a leather saddle. So we're gonna make this baby look good as new. There's the handlebar tape we did yesterday. We're gonna be ordering a black seat, and hopefully it'll be all done by Monday. We're gonna get to it. All right, we just untangled the chain, and now we just gotta clean off all the grease off of it and all the gook and gunk. So we're gonna get started with that. I should have brought my book out.
For what? Oh yeah, go get the book.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get the book and then get that started. All right, we got our trusty book. They just said like run the crank and then just hold with a dry rag. Just hold it up against the thing and then do the same thing with the derailleur. That takes a bunch of it off.
Okay.
So, for starters, there goes the ring.
Hold it this way a tiny bit. Like when you're holding it, hold it so that it's not pushing it that way.
Yeah.
Let me hold this stuff out of the way and clean those wheels. Yeah, if you come over on my side, you probably see it better. Oh, I have an idea. Here, hold this up for me. Go ahead. See, look. Look at how much I'm getting off of here. This Derailer's in great shape. Woo.
So we got all the muck out of the chain.
And the rear derailleur.
And then the rear derailleur, just getting every little chunk of muck out of there. All that buildup. Now we just gotta do the teeth over here.
Yep.
And there. And then take off the rust.
Mm-hmm.
And then inside right there, you can see.
Yep.
There's a little bit of rust.
I'll tell you, this came out nice. It's in really good condition. The teeth are perfect. GT500 rear derailleur. This is a famous one, actually.
Really?
Yeah, it's well known as being like one of the most reliable French-made derailleurs by a company called Huret, H-U-R-E-T.
Does it come with a pipe or?
Yeah, this is original equipment.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, this is high-end shit for the time. It really, really is. Let's clean the front teeth. Okay, you gotta wet that and then Okay. So I'll turn the crank, you get the teeth. So do kind of both sides of this one and then we'll do the other one. Between the teeth. You can get in between each tooth if you want to. Alright, put the chain down to the middle, down to the lower ring, and then do the same from the top. No.
The sponge?
Oh yeah, sponge from Japan. So the white one is the medium grit, and the red is the fine grit. So I would use the white one for now.
Yep. Alright, right now we're just taking off grease off of this chrome shield. No, not grease, rust. Yeah. I mean, taking good care of a bike and like whatever will give you more incentive not to have it stolen.
Completely agree.
So like, I don't know, if I just rode it and whatever, I would just leave it wherever.
Yeah.
Like wherever, 125.
That's as clean as those chain rings have looked since someone bought this bike.
Alright, we're still taking the rust off of all the metal. I'm just doing the cranks right now. Okay, we took off all of the rust on the bike, wiped it all down, put some soapy water.
Now we need fresh water to wax with, I think.
This is what it looks
Read
like
the
now.
instructions.
Took off all of the rust on the fork, all of the rust in here and back here, and all that's left is to wax it, put on new brake pads.
Wait for your saddle and wheels.
Yeah, and then the saddle and wheels will be here by Monday, and then I'll be able to do it.
Grab me that clean towel that you just dried it with.
Yep. What are these called? The brake
Pads.
brake pads. Change those out.
I'm gonna
Cleaned
save
up
these
this.
just in case they turn out to be useful. I need to get one.
Polished out this Schwinn logo.
Yeah, that's the derailleur hanger, front derailleur hanger.
Yeah. So all shiny, all is well. And there's bar.
Alright, I'm gonna leave you to clean up because I need to go get ready.